integration of the type e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x equal to e raised to x f of x plus c. So we'll discuss some examples on this. Okay. So suppose you have a sum integration e raised to x square plus 2x dx. So I will say that my f of x is x square, whereas my f dash of x is 2x. So this is exactly in the form of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x. The answer for this will be e raised to x f of x plus c. So e raised to x x square plus c. ये कैसा रहता है कि you will have a e raised to x, you will have f of x, and subsequently you will have a derivative attached to that. So this is e raised to x, this is your f of x, this is your derivative f dash of x. The answer will be e raised to x f of x plus c. E raised to x will remain e raised to x. F of x, I think it is x square, so e raised to x x square plus c. Integration e raised to x log of x plus 1 upon x dx. So this is e raised to x. Log x का derivative is 1 upon x. So my f of x will be log x, whereas my f dash of x will be equal to 1 upon x. The answer for this will be e raised to x f of x plus c, meaning e raised to x log of x plus c. Next example, integration e raised to x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square dx. So first you have to ask yourself, what is the derivative of 1 upon x? A derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. But the formula has got a plus sign. So what we will do is we'll make a slight alteration. We'll write this as e raised to x 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x square and dx. So I'm not making any major change because I need a plus sign to use the formula. I write plus and minus. So 1 upon x is f of x, minus 1 upon x square is f dash of x. Therefore the answer for this will be e raised to x 1 upon x plus c. This is example number 1, this is example number 2, this is example number 3. Okay. Let's go for example number 4. Integration e raised to x root x plus 1 upon 2 root of x. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root of x. So this is e raised to x, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. The answer will be e raised to x root of x plus c, because my f of x will be root x and my f dash of x will be 1 upon 2 root of x. If you want to write it here, f of x is root x and the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root of x. So this is e raised to x, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. The answer is e raised to x f of x plus c. So it will be e raised to x root of x plus c. I equal to integration e raised to x. See, the derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So now this is in the form of integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx, which is equal to e raised to x f of x and plus c. So the answer for this will be e raised to x 1 upon x plus c. I equal to integration e raised to x. What you have to do is this x, you have to write it as x plus 1 minus 1, the whole upon x plus 1 the whole square. So if you open up the numerator, I think you get plus 1 minus 1. I think that ultimately you get it as x only. So you're not making any major change in the question. You're just adding up 1 and subsequently you are subtracting 1. So I equal to integration. You can write this as x plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. तो ये कट हो जाएगा, meaning this upon denominator minus 1 upon denominator. So I get I equal to integration e raised to x. This is 1 upon x plus 1. Write a plus sign and write here minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square dx. So f of x is 1 upon x plus 1. So my f dash of x is nothing but the derivative of 1 upon x plus 1. ठीक है? So 1 upon x plus 1 का derivative नहीं होता है, तो I'll take it as 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 1. Still what I can do is I will have to write it as 1 upon x plus 1 को मैं लिखेगा x plus 1 raised to minus 1. So this is in the form of a composite function which is in the form of f of x raised to n. The derivative is n f of x raised to n minus 1 d by dx of f of x. So this will be minus 1 x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 d by dx of x plus 1. So you get minus 1 x plus 1 raised to minus 2. X का derivative is 1 and 1 का derivative is 0. So I think I get this as minus 1 x plus 1 raised to minus 2 is 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square into 1. I think the answer is minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. So this is e raised to x, this is f of x, this is f dash of x. So the answer will be e raised to x f of x plus c, meaning I can write a formula integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx. I think the answer is e raised to x f of x plus c. So this is the final answer. It's a good sum. Revise it properly. I equal to integration e raised to x. जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वही न्यूमरेटर में कॉपी करो. So I'll copy x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator I'm copying as it is. Now originally I had x, I have written x. This is minus 1, I have written some other number. So plus 1 को rectify करने के लिए you write minus 1 and then you write the original number. I'll repeat. x था, x लिखा है, तो no problem. ये minus 1 था, I've written some other number. What is the number I've written? Plus 1. तो plus 1 को rectify करने के लिए you write minus 1. So I think plus 1 minus 1 will get nullified. And you copy the original number. This is for rectification and this is the original number. So I have added plus 1. So I am rectifying it by writing minus 1 and I am writing the original number. So if you open this just like that, I think you should get x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Ultimately I think you get this as x minus 1. Check karo na. X plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. If I open the bracket, I get x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cut, I get x minus 1. That's what is my question. So I'm not making any change. So what I do is whatever is the variables inside the bracket, I copy in the numerator. X and x same, no problem. Minus 1 is the original number. I have written something like plus 1. So whatever number I have written here, you give the reverse of that so that use additive property. So this is plus 1, so this will become minus 1 and you copy the original number. So this becomes I equal to integration e raised to x. This is x plus 1 minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube dx. So this will become I equal to integration e raised to x. Write this as x plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole cube minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube and dx. I think I can cancel this. I get this as I equal to integration e raised to x. This is 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube and dx. I equal to integration e raised to x. I will write this as 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube dx. So what is my f of x? F of x is 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. F dash of x will be equal to d by dx of, there is no derivative for 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square, so we can write it as x plus 1 raised to minus 2. This is in the form of f of x raised to n. The derivative will be n f of x n minus 1 d by dx of f of x. So the answer for this will be minus 2 n f of x raised to n minus 1 d by dx of f of x. So I think I get this as minus 2 x plus 1 raised to minus 3, x ka derivative is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, so I'll write 1. So ultimately I get this as f dash of x will be equal to minus 2 x plus 1 raised to minus 3. So probably I get f dash of x equal to minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube. Now if you check, this is e raised to x, I think this is f of x, and ultimately I think this is my f dash of x. Check this. So this is e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x. The answer will be e raised to x f of x plus c. So this, the answer for this will be e raised to x f of x means 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square plus c. You can write a reason here. Integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx. I think the answer is e raised to x f of x and plus c. This reasoning you have to write for having uses formulae here. So now what I will do is, I will make an assumption f of x equal to log x the whole square. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x will be equal to d by dx of log of x the whole square. This is a power function. Power function means it is a function in the form of f of x raised to n. The formula will be n f of x raised to n minus 1 d by dx of f of x. So my f dash of x will be n f of x raised to n minus 1 d by dx of f of x, that is 2 log x raised to 1. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, therefore the answer will be 2 log x the whole upon x. Now I think this is f of x, this is f dash of x, because I think I have proved that the derivative of f dash of x is 2 log x upon x. So I'll copy the question. This is e raised to x followed by log x the whole square plus 2 log x upon x and dx. This is in the form of integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx. The answer being e raised to x f of x plus c. So the answer will be e raised to x. F of x is here. E raised to x log of x the whole square plus c. See, what you have to do is you have to make an assumption. Let log of x equal to t. If you differentiate with respect to x, I think derivative of log x is 1 upon x equal to dt by dx. So you have 1 upon x and dx, that is equal to dt. So what you can do is you can write dx equal to x times dt. Because I think we are having only dx, so we'll try to find the value for dx. So my question is again I equal to integration 1 upon log x minus 1 upon log x the whole square and the entire thing dx. So I equal to, I know that my log x is t, so this becomes 1 upon t minus log x is t, so this becomes minus 1 upon t square, and I think the value for dx is x dt. So what I do is this log x I replace it with t, this log x I replace it with t, and this dx I replace it with x dt. Clear? Now the problem is if I am having t and dt, this x is wrong, because if I have dt, everything should be in terms of t. So you have to eliminate this x. So it's a very good sum. We know that log x equal to t. Log x equal to t means log x to the base is t. So x will be equal to e raised to t. I'll explain again. log x equal to t. So you have to write log x to the base c equal to t. So your x will be equal to e raised to t. This is a logarithmic formula. So what happens is your I equal to integration 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square, and this x you have to substitute it with e raised to t. This x has to be substituted with e raised to t. Now see, dt, t, everywhere you have t. So I equal to integration, write this as e raised to t 1 upon t plus minus 1 upon t square dt. So this is in the form of e raised to x, f of x, f dash of x. This is in the form of e raised to x, f of x plus f dash of x dx. The answer is e raised to x, f of x plus c. So इसका आंसर रहेगा e raised to t 1 upon t plus c. Then what you do is you substitute t equal to log of x. This is e raised to log x 1 upon log x plus c. There is a formula which is a raised to log of x to the base a equal to x. This is a new formula in logarithm. Please note it down. We have to write this as e raised to log x 1 upon log x plus c का उसका base में e देना. So this is in the form of a raised to log x to the base a, the answer being x, e raised to log x to the base a, the answer being x. So the answer is x into 1 upon log x plus c. So the final answer will be x upon log x plus c. So one formula is, you have to remember is, if log x equal to t, it means that log x to the base c is t, therefore you have x equal to e raised to t. This is the formula of logarithm. Another formula is a raised to log x to the base a equal to x. Similarly, e raised to log x to the base e is also x. So that formula is used here, and you get the answer for e raised to log x to the base e as x. Please revise these formulas. The question is I equal to log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Make an assumption log x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of log x is 1 upon x, that is equal to dt by dx. Therefore, I'll say that dx equal to x times of dt. So what I will do is, I'll copy the question again. This is integration log of x 1 plus log of x the whole square dx. I will substitute log x equal to t, and I will substitute dx equal to x dt. So this will become I equal to integration. This is t upon 1 plus t the whole square, and this becomes x dt. So dt means the entire question should be in terms of t, but I think we are having x. So this x has to be eliminated. So I think I did in the previous sum, log x equal to t, meaning log x to the base e equal to t, therefore x will be equal to e raised to t. You have to use this rule. So this x should be replaced with e raised to t. So everything will become in terms of t. So what I will do is substitute x equal to e raised to t. So I equal to integration t upon 1 plus t the whole square, and this is e raised to t dt. So I equal to integration e raised to t followed by t upon 1 plus t the whole square dt. So I equal to e raised to t. Whatever is in the denominator, please copy in the numerator. You have to do adjustment 1 plus t the whole square, and since originally what was it? T. You have a t. What have you added? Plus 1. Plus 1 means you write minus 1. Now if you open up the numerator, I think you'll get t. You can write this as I equal to integration e raised to t. I think this is 1 plus t, 1 plus t the whole square minus 1 plus t the whole square and dt. I think this gets cancelled. You get I equal to integration e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square and dt. So I will say that my f of x is 1 upon 1 plus t. My f dash of x will be d by dt of, I don't have a derivative of 1 upon 1 plus t, so I'll write this as 1 plus t raised to minus 1. This is a power function. Power function means, I think it is in the form of f of x raised to n. The derivative is n f of x n minus 1 d by dx of f of x. So I will have f dash of x equal to n f of x raised to n minus 1 d by dt of 1 plus t. So I will have f dash of x, sorry, you take f of t, you take, that's better, f dash of t, because I think we are differentiating with respect to t now. So we can take f dash of t equal to minus 1 plus t raised to minus 2, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of t is 1. So probably we get f dash of t equal to minus 1 plus t raised to minus 2 is 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square into 1. So that means this is f dash of t equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square. So now if you check, this is f of x and this is f dash of x, meaning this is f of t and this is f dash of t. The answer will be e raised to t f of t plus c, meaning 1 plus t plus c. Now let's continue. I get f of t is 1 upon 1 plus t and my f dash of t is minus 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square. So I think I had stopped here. So I will say that my I was originally integration e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square and dt. So I equal to integration e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t plus minus 1 upon 1 plus t the whole square dt. So this is in the form of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x. It is in the form of e raised to t f of t f dash of t. The answer is e raised to t f of t plus c. So my answer will be e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t plus c. Now what I have to do is, I have to substitute t equal to log x, because I think my t was equal to log x. So what do I get? I get this as e log x plus c. So log x, we will write it as log x to the base e. So that means I get this as e raised to x 1 upon 1 plus log x plus c, because previously I gave you a formula which was a to the power log of x to the base a equal to x. So a to the power log of x to the base a, if it is equal to x, e raised to power log x to the base e, that is x. Okay, please complete. This will be x 1 upon 1 plus log x plus c. The reason is, there is a formula which says that a to the power log of x to the base a, if it is equal to x, then I will say that e power log x to the base a is also equal to x. This is in the form of e power log x to the base e, I think the answer is x, and into 1 upon 1 plus log x, that is the final answer. This is the reasoning for having got this x. Okay.